What do you think is the sauce? Guess what?
I think it's probably spicy peanut.
Oh, I can smell spice. Wait, look at that, babe. There's also.
Oh, there's also a mustard. It's a dime bag of mustard.
Let me taste it though.
What's up, guys? So it's time for 7-Eleven snack review from Thailand. We did the video where we go shopping. Maybe I'll intersperse that in this video. We forgot the ice cream from last night. I accidentally left it and it just melted in the bag. But
So we bought the items last night. Yeah.
yeah, we bought them last night when we were out. So let's start with this one.
Why did we not eat it last night?
We were drunk and stoned.
You were too full.
That's too full, yeah. True. I'm still full now, but we're about to do this anyway. So you want to start with the chips or the sandwiches?
Chips first.
Chips. This is the main cam crab. Let's try that.
This is TikTok recommendation.
Yeah.
This is Lay's.
I don't know.
Miang Kam Crab Bros. That's the flavor.
There's a lot of ingredients on the front.
It's like the basil. I don't like it.
It tastes like candied pickle juice.
This is mostly the ulam, the aftertaste for most ulam here.
Yeah.
You know, there's that distinct. What's that distinct babe, taste?
It's probably the vinegar they use, and then
It's like something sour but bitter.
I know they use a lot of Chinese five spice. That's been flavoring a lot of stuff that you don't seem to like. All right, so it's 1 out of 10.
Maybe we just have different taste buds, but I'll give it 5.
5. It's a really weird flavor. I like weird flavors, so just on it being so unexpected, I'm going to give it a 6.5. But yeah, it's not great, but it's unique. Let's try these sandwiches. These are the toasties.
That's the spinach 3 cheese.
Let's see. Ham and 3 cheese. It's It's okay.
Filipinos will like this.
This is reheated. I'm sure it was better when they toasted it fresh last night. But it basically
Have
tastes.
you tried the toasties in 7-Eleven like this? This is so much better.
Is it? The one in Thailand rather than Philippines.
So good.
Let's not eat a bunch of anything. So I give that one a 7.5. I mean, it's not mind blowing, but it is a nice little grilled cheese sandwich for I think 30 baht.
This is what?
This is the viral, just plain ham and cheese, which I would equate to like cheap sandwich lunch from being in elementary school. It's not. The triple ham and cheese was better, and same price, but it was bigger.
This is like sweeter or cheesier? I don't know.
I think the bread is like softer and sweeter on that one.
Yeah, I like this one better too.
The triple cheese. Okay. Next, let's try one of the milks.
Okay. This is also TikTok recommendation. We call this like the milk in the pouch.
Yeah.
Right? This is choco. And you
Choco
got
banana caramel. Although
it's too hard.
okay. I'll rip your teeth here. You get it?
Wow. It's very chocolatey.
Very like fake banana candy flavor.
Wow. This is really good. Try it. Uy, I like yours better.
You do?
Uh-huh.
The chocolate is nice. It's just like good chocolate milk.
That's why I got some ice from our juice. So I could put it here. Chocolate.
Oh yeah.
And the syrup, it's super small lang.
chocolate banana. Sounds like a good combo to me.
That's good. Wow. I think we're the only one who makes this. Ah, careful.
What?
On the bed na.
Now try it mixed. There's a
Oh yeah.
spicy chicken wing.
Oh yeah. It's really good. Really.
Yeah. Chocolate, banana, caramel. Every bit of that sounds good. Put a little peanut butter in there. It sounds perfect. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that does actually smell like chicken. They're like little fries.
Double?
Mm.
It has similar smell.
It tastes like Vienna sausages to me. Does it have like a little Vienna sausage taste to you? No?
But it has like a same taste in a Filipino snack, but I can't remember. But this is just more spicy.
Mm-hmm.
Very spicy.
It's about maybe 5 out of 10. Spicy.
Okay.
The flavor is good. Maybe about a 7.5 as well. Let's see. How about the fresh lumpia?
What about we finish all the 7-Eleven?
Okay. We got spicy larb. This is supposed to be like her favorite dish here.
The pad kapao. This is pad kapao, my favorite dish here so far. Yours is pad thai, right?
Mm-hmm. I love the papaya salad.
Wow.
They're like chicharrones. It's not that flavored.
Yeah. But this is better than the first one.
I like the spicy one.
Oh, okay. I don't really taste the pad kapao here.
I think the other one was way too powerful. This one's very subtle. We can't pick up the flavors. It's like vinegar a little bit. Slightly
This is
meaty.
good for kids. It's not super salty.
Yeah. Not super spicy.
And salty.
And then we got the Milo bar.
Which is very popular here too.
Milo is a popular
But in
brand.
the Philippines, it's mostly just drinks.
Yeah.
Here they got Milo nuggets. Remember we bought
Yeah.
some. Okay. This doesn't taste like Milo.
It's got a little bit of like pure sugar taste. Like they're going for like powdered Milo consistency.
Good.
I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. You like the banana?
Drink that with your chocolate on your mouth. And lastly, babe, you have to tell them about the water here.
It's only 14 baht for this liter and a half, and then it stayed cold in our bag for like 6 hours. And my bag's
Yeah.
not very insulated.
Like, this is not a scam, but it's really cold. Right? We've been to a lot of places already and we brought this milk, but still it's so cold when you drink it.
Yeah.
And it's not, babe, unlike in the Philippines, like it's gonna sweat a lot from the outside. Their water doesn't sweat a lot. Maybe the coolness stays inside, not outside.
Maybe the weather is just so much cooler here. We've noticed like it's hot here, but I'm not sweating through my shirt. In the Philippines right now, I'd be drenched. But we've been walking for probably the last 6.5 hours and not sweating.
Yeah. We've been walking, minimum 10,000 steps per day here.
Oh yeah. What are we at right now is
Highly recommended this water when you go to Thailand.
we're at 13,000 steps for today so far.
Did we try the other brands? Oh yeah. That one is also,
Namthip.
it also lasted for a while, the coolness.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think all the water in Thailand which would be so cool for long hours.
You want to try the fresh lumpia?
Lastly, we found this on our way.
Uh-huh.
This is, what did it say there?
It didn't say anything, but it's spring rolls.
Spring rolls.
Spring rolls, yeah.
But it's like fresh lumpia in the Philippines.
Some grandma was selling it at a table, so I stopped.
What do you think is the sauce? Guess what?
I think it's probably spicy peanut.
Oh, I can smell spice. Wait, look at that, babe. There's also.
Oh, there's also a mustard. It's a dime bag of mustard.
Let me taste it, though.
This peanut sauce.
But spicier.
And then you eat a little of this on the side, I guess.
Do you like this?
Green onion?
What if you dip it?
You could. And give a little jalapeno if you want spicy.
Oh, let's show them. There's an egg.
Ah.
An egg. Is it spring onions, cucumber, and tomatoes?
And some sort of meat. That pork or salmon? I don't know. Go for it.
Sauce, please. Yeah, that tastes very healthy and very fresh.
Let me get some. Get some jalapeno on mine. Get some peanut butter.
Sauce is actually good.
Yeah. Basil. Egg. Spicy peanut sauce.
Is it spicy when you put the jalapeno?
Not really. But it's good. What would you give it out of 10?
7.
7? Okay, so everything's pretty solid. No real bad ones.
I think you should be like a little spicy. I don't know if we got used to the spice already, but when you taste like a meal here that's not spicy, I think it's not really good.
True. And most of the meals we found that were good were spicy.
Yeah. Maybe we just got used to the spice bit. And we're looking at it. Oh, we got our sauce too.
Sauce.
The one we bought from the market.
Oh, or possibly, yeah. We're going to make some cooking. We have chili dipping sauce, and I've got a sweet soy sauce.
I think because I don't like eating vegetables a lot. But I think for those who like vegetables,
Yeah.
it's just really good.
I mean, that's a pretty healthy meal right there. Very little carbs. It's all veggies, protein.
And it's very fresh.
Yeah.
It's very crunchy.
All right, guys. That's our review. 7-Eleven is solid anywhere in the world. We'll see you.